Hello guys, this is a video about the coldest inhabited place on Earth. So you might be wondering if Yakutsk is the coldest place on Earth. That is because temperatures there can reach minus 40 degrees Celsius. But that does not come close to the coldest inhabited place on Earth, which is Oymyakon. Oymyakon reaches low temperatures below minus 50 degrees Celsius in winter, and right now it is October, so it's like minus 15 degrees. The low is minus 15 degrees, the high is probably like minus 8 degrees. Why? So you might be thinking, why does Oymyakon have such a cold climate? And why does autumn get so cold? Well, it's actually because of its subarctic climate. Maybe extreme subarctic climate. An extreme subarctic climate is a type of climate that has long, very cold winters, sometimes even below minus 50 degrees. However, they have short, cool to mild summers. Sometimes they can be even hot. The lowest temperature ever recorded there was around minus 67 degrees Celsius. 67 degrees Celsius. Yeah, you know what I mean. I'm gonna be honest. When I was born in winter, which was in February, the temperatures literally were below minus 20 degrees Celsius. So I'm kind of used to living in these cold conditions, I think. Well, not exactly, because when it's like 6 degrees, then I am already cold and shivering, and my skin gets goosebumps. Yeah, and pipes can literally freeze at that cold temperature. And this caused the water to, I think, yeah, the water was cold when it came out of the pipes, and I think it took an extremely long time to heat up. Um, I don't know how long it took, but when you're living in these very cold conditions, you can experience frozen pipes, even pipes that hot water flows through to heat up a building. Living in such a cold condition is very tough. Not only that, in Yakutsk and Oymyakon, one of the coldest places on Earth, can experience very cold spells. Both Oymyakon and both Oymyakon and Yakutsk are cold. They both have a subarctic climate, but Yakutsk has a subarctic continental climate. A subarctic continental climate has long cold winters and short hot summers, yeah, things like that. Living in this cold condition, if you are outside for more than 10 minutes, your skin could literally get frostbite. You can literally get hypothermia, and if you would like cry in this cold temperature, then when you would cry, your tears would freeze. Not only that, I have heard about people throwing boiling water into the air, and it literally turned into snow. Do you know how this works? Because the water, when you throw it in extremely cold air, it cools down rapidly. That's what causes it to freeze instantly and turn into snow. You see, guys, this is how tough it is to live in those really cold places. A place where permafrost is present. Permafrost is permanently frozen ground that stays frozen for at least 2 consecutive years. The worst part? Yakutsk has no outdoor water parks. They literally have indoor water parks. This is due to its cold climate. While it can get hot in summer, the permafrost causes it to like the water can still be cold even in permafrost. Yeah, the pipes can be cold, and if there's permafrost, then water would likely be not warm, just cold. Yeah. But let me ask you guys a question. type this in the comments. Would you like to no wait. Would you ever want to live in this cold place? Honestly, nah, I would not. Because I don't know if a person literally would like that kind of cold because um like I said, the temperatures in Oymyakon have once dropped below -7 degrees Celsius. Yeah. Anyways, guys, type in the comments below if you would ever want to live in this cold place. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was Max. Bye.